Marge, I've told you this before, you're an inspiration to me. I have admired how you've grown your company and I hope I do the same with my own. And naiyak ako kasi I know you're a very, very close friend of mine and lahat ng pinagdaanan mo dito sa movie na to are things that I have gone through and I admire you for your strength and your resilience. I've been thinking about this talaga, apart from, ako kasi relate na relate ako because I'm also an agency owner. Pero I think one of the main reasons bakit nyo kailangan panoorin to is kung gusto nyo ng inspirasyon, kung kayo'y nahihirapan ngayon sa buhay nyo at gusto nyo ng inspirasyon, lalo na yung mga kababaihan, please watch When the World Met Miss Provinciana. Sa August 7 na to, please watch. You'll be inspired.